Hello everyone, this is our day 2 of the meditation journey. Find a comfortable position, relax your shoulders, and gently close your eyes. Take a moment to simply arrive here, exactly as you are. Now, bring your attention to your natural breathing. Slowly breathe in through your nose. And gently breathe out. Feel the breath moving in. And feel it slowly moving out. You don't have to change your breathing. Just notice each breath as it comes and goes. If a thought appears, let it be there. You don't need to follow it. Simply return to your breath. Breathe in slowly. And breathe out gently. For these final moments, stay here, breathing, noticing, and simply being.